Okay, so let's get straight into this. All right, as you can see, I'm showing you the walls of the tattoo parlor that I actually went to out here in Griggs Road in Houston, Texas. It is called the Ink Capsule. Now, these people were so down to earth and so cool. I enjoyed the chill. If you can get over the weed smoke, it's a little different, okay? Now, once when I got in there, this guy here is from St. Thomas, okay, and I was in love with the fact that he was able to get me in such short notice, because Oshun wanted me to get this tattoo on me and represent her. So here, as you can see, he's doing the work. We have a good conversation, chopping it up, talking about stuff back home and everything else. He's concentrating and focusing, and I am dozing off because guess what? That feels so good. I don't know what it is about certain types of pain, but hey, it is what it is. Don't judge me. And now we're getting ready to get to the finished look.